Breaking news from Lancaster County, PA. Nitro Cutting is the coolest manufacturing company in modern times.
But what could be so cool about manufacturing?
Nitro Cutting is involved in the best of the best, making metal parts for all kinds of equipment.
Like what?
Well, Nitro has made parts for some of your favorite musicals, artists, concerts, and even the Super Bowl.
The products we make aren't always seen. They're kind of in the background, but they are important. So we make products that go into farm equipment. We make products that go into medical devices. We even make products that are not seen, but part of the concert stages for many world tours.
I would say pretty much it's advanced from basic hand tools. Way back when I first started, the craftsmen were using, pretty much hand tools and things like that, and it's all progressed into computer-aided design and computer-aided machining.
But we don't always require experience. We do a lot of on-the-job training, but some of our equipment manufacturers also provide training for our employees. So we try and promote from within based on the training. So we receive a lot of raw material every day, every week, but not all of it goes into our parts. As you saw out there, there's some skeletons, as we call them, and that's kind of the empty space around the parts or from the middle of the parts. That's all collected and put into bins, and we actually send it to a local recycler here.
There's always the opportunity to continue to learn new things and expand your mental horizons. And also, I've found that this company, if you're willing to put in the work, is willing to continue to push you into new endeavors to help you continue to grow.
Wow, I didn't know that manufacturing could be so cool.
Well, now you know. Thanks for tuning in to Donegal Television.
We'll see you next time.
DTV out.
Out.